Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Harrahs Mountain Tower single queen room, their cheapest room at the hotel. Newly remodeled. I think they just remodeled them recently as last year. Nice big flat screen TV, light up mirror for doing your makeup, in-room safe, desk in the room, chair, your basic room. Very nice, newly remodeled and clean. And from the mountain tower, you would think there'd be mountain views, but there's not really. This is the view from the 51st floor. Now we'll go into the bathroom. Nice sink. And these rooms just have a shower. And they have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all on the wall. And they have a very little closet in the bathroom. Well, that's going to be the end of the room tour. Thank you for watching my channel, and until next time.